you got out. Did you really get out enough?
I think so.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Try one more time.
Wow, Tegan's so strong. I don't think Tegan got out. You didn't even cry. Come on.
No. He lifted himself up. No,
Wow,
just get ready.
You crazy, Tegan.
Oh my goodness, he's doing it. Oh my gosh. Just time to convert the bed. That's how mystery solved.
Oh gosh. That was scary.
Don't get any ideas anymore, son.